So I want to talk to you about something a lot of small creators are dealing with right now. You're putting in the work, but the views aren't coming, the subscribers count barely moves. If that's you, there is actually a feature inside YouTube Shorts that a lot of people are sleeping on. And right now, I am going to go ahead and show you this so you can make use of it. And if you use it right, it can put your content in front of people who are already interested in your niche without having to reinvent the wheel every single day. I am talking about Shorts Remix and Green Screen. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how I will use both of them to get more subscribers and watch time if I am stalked like you. Hi, my name is Deborah. On this channel, I share practical tips on YouTube, social media content creation, and AI to help you create better content, make money, and grow online. If you're serious about growing your channel, subscribe now because this is exactly what we talk about here. Now, let's get into this video. Let me show you the practical example of how you can use YouTube Shorts and YouTube Remix and YouTube Green Screen to get more views, get subscribers, and even get your 4,000 watch hours on time.
Welcome to the practical section of this class, and for a start we're going to go ahead to our YouTube. Open your YouTube app and search for trending shirts. Yes, search for trending shirts, and the first set of shirts you are going to see, pick anyone from there. I used my tab at first. When it was giving me a issue, I had to change to my phone, so I picked this one. And when I picked this one, I clicked on that circle that looks like that has arrow. When you click on the video and it has those features, collab. So when you click on the video and it has those features, use the sound, collab, remix, green screen, get this video, then you're good to go. So at this point, when you pick the video, you click on it, then you go ahead and trim the video to the part you want the video to start from. For me, I want it to start from the part where she's almost raising her legs and using her hands. Okay, so I started from there, and there I'm trying to still check. Then I clicked to process the video. Actually, please listen carefully. After editing, I went straight ahead to next, and it is green screen, right? We're starting with green screen. So I showed my head and started fixing my head in a place where it wouldn't cover the video. Okay, that's what I was trying to do there. Then I was reacting at the same time. So I'm going to click on done. Okay, just react. Okay, just I touch you as you go to next. I already saved the title somewhere. Make sure to always remember to get your title. I'm going to put this on unlisted. Okay, so like I advise, make sure to always get your title, and remember the reason why we are putting it on unlisted is so that it won't go public, so that YouTube can search first. The title of this video was she is so flexible, and I'm going to put OMG, like seriously. So, and I'm going to put triple charm. Then I'm going to put shorts, exactly the title the person used. So I'm going to put shorts. I'm going to put shorts, and I'm going to put shorts also, and I'm going to put explore. So it won't look as if we did total copy and paste. So you're going to go ahead and upload this. I'm going to go ahead and upload this. Okay, I have some videos here on my unlisted. I will delete them. So we are done uploading here, and
I'm just going.
So wait for YouTube checks, and after that our video is now unlisted here and ready to be published. So the next one, we go and search for another shot to do the collab proper. So when the video for the collab is found, you go ahead and click on that video as usual for collaborations. Once you click on it, you check the circle at the beginning, where that circle that has two arrows, you click on that circle. Once you click on that circle, it's going to bring out the collab, the remix, the what other thing, collab, remix and all that for you. I mistakenly click on the person's profile here. So once you click on the video and you click on that circle, it will bring out those collab, uses templates, green screen and all
As
that. So
that. So
you
I'm going to
click on
click on
collab
next.
for this one. The first one we did was green screen. Once you click
I'm
on
going to click on
collab, then
next.
you edit the
Remember
video
to
to
get
where you
your
actually
video
want it to
title
start from.
first, okay?
You
But
can't
if you
use
forget, that
all
is
the
where the place
person's
of
video,
putting your
right?
videos
And
on
again, it's not even
unlisted
advisable.
is,
Just pick from where you know
okay.
that your
So I'm going
audience
to
would
react to
want to
this.
watch.
This is
So at this
very
point I
smart
already
now.
picked. Then you can change the arrangement. You can put yourself at the top or down. You can just put yourself at the other side too. You can change that by clicking on that box sign on your right hand below. Then here I was already reacting. Can you see the way I was reacting? I was laughing because the video was actually funny. So I was reacting here and I was done at this point reacting. So what I did, I allowed the video load, and then next. When I got to the next, you can edit your video. Okay, you can edit it and even still shorten it. Then this important part, your thumbnail. So you click that video at the top there and you go and put a thumbnail that has an attractive image. Okay,
So, this cover is attractive, right? So I'm going to just click on next. Then it's still on unlisted because I have not copied the title. So I'll click on upload. Then I will go back here to the home. The video will still be there. Okay, if it's not there, just click on viral shots again. It will still bring it out. Okay, when you click on viral shots again, this is the video here.
so what I went to do at this point was to get the title because I did not remember to do that at first. So I went to get the title. What I did, I clicked on it. I did a screenshot of that place. I did a screenshot and I went ahead to um so that I can save it up somewhere, and you can go to ChatGPT to tell it to write it out. Then when I was done, that video had already uploaded. I had to edit, then
Smart.
okay, put the title and
Shorts. Viral. Funny. Okay. So I'm going to just I've already put my cover, so I'm going to save that. I'm going to save that. So we searched for, when we wanted to do the green screen, I searched for trending shots. When we wanted to do the collab, I searched for viral shots. So let's do one more collab.
so we're following same process as the other collab. Just go over, click on the circle, then you click on collab, right? Once you click on, so same process, edit and remove the one you don't want to add. Then just go ahead and click on next. Yeah, just click on next.
Next, I have
Then
already noted down
you
the
go.
title of this video. So I'm just going to click on next, and I'm going to just watch this video and also react to it. Okay, so let's watch. So that's it. I've reacted to it. Where we have that edit, I'm going to check the cover to get an attractive cover. So I'm going to
So I'm going to use this as an attractive cover, right? So I'm going to go ahead and let me just, okay. So the title says, try these creative videography. Okay, let's try this creative videography. And I'm going to just use shorts. I'm going to just use videography, and I'm going to just use ideas. I'm going to just use viral, even though that's not there, but I'm going to use it viral. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and upload. I used viral because I don't want it to be like, okay, it's the same thing. Okay, like I'm just copying word for word. Okay, just be a little bit unique. So you can see from my screen that this one, the facial reaction is there, this one, the facial reaction is there, this one, the facial reaction is there. So if you do like 5 or 6 or even 10 videos per day, you don't I would advise that you do it. Maybe if you do one 9 a.m, you can do another one 11 a.m, you can do another one 1 a.m, you can 1 p.m, you can do another one 3 p.m, 6 p.m, 8 p.m, 10 p.m. So space it that way. Don't release it at the same time. Okay, you can do everything that and put them on unlisted and release them every hour if that's what you want to do. And I tell you, there is no how you're going to do this for 2 weeks that you're not going to get more than 5,000 subscribers consistently. If you're consistent, yes. If you do this for 2 weeks and you're consistent, you're going to get 5,000 subscribers, if or even more. And your shorts views count is also going to start counting. Okay. And if you want to really use this to get monetized, then you have to keep doing it and doing it. But as you're doing it, make sure you're doing something related to your niche. Except if, of course, you just want to use the channel for a general lifestyle channel, and you can. And as you're doing it, don't forget to also upload at least one video per week, or maybe 2 videos per week, so that your channel will also get used to. People will also know that on this channel they have to watch long videos, because if you keep putting shorts alone, you might make people just realize that your channel is just for shorts, and people that are watching shorts most of the time don't like watching long videos because they are used to watching short videos. So that's basically the hack. So I'm going to go ahead and put these videos that I just did on public. Yeah, I'm going to put them on public. So public, going to put them on public. I'm going to schedule this one. I said I'm going to schedule this one. This one is Saturday. I'm going to put it on, this is past 12. I'm going to put it on 2 p.m. Okay. Then I'm going to put the third one I'm going to put the third one on. Okay, it says my schedule time. Okay, I'm supposed to pick the 24 hours. Okay. So I just picked 2 p.m. So I'm going to put that. Then I'll schedule the other one too. I'm going to put that for 5 p.m. Okay. So let's schedule it. So you're also learning how to schedule a post. So just click on today's date. You click on 5 p.m. is 17 o'clock. So you click on this and you save. So these posts are going to go live even if I am not there. Okay. So this is simply how you can get your 1,000 subscribers fast, and also get your millions of short views, your 10 million short views fast when you're consistent with it. Do this for 2 months and I tell you, you're going to see great results. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
So that's how you can use your short remix and green screen to get more subscribers and watch time. If this was helpful, drop a comment and let me know which one are you going to try first, remix or the green screen. And if you're a creator, tell us what you create too. Let us use this medium or this opportunity to discover each other in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to use these settings wisely.